Hey guys, welcome to the future of lighting with Novsight, the brand that's redefining how drivers see the road ahead. Today, we're driving into the power trio that's taken the market by storm: the Novsight Halo, the Halo SEs, and the Halo Pros. Whether you're looking for everyday reliability, advanced performance, or cutting-edge technology, there's a Halo for you. Let's see these lights stack up side by side. Okay, first up, the Novsight Halo, the original that started it all. Designed for everyday drivers who want a serious upgrade over factory lights. The Halo delivers bright, clear illumination and a wider beam pattern and a plug-and-play installation that takes minutes, not hours. Remove this. With this durable construction, IP67 water resistance, the Halo is built to handle rain, snow, and rugged conditions. It's the perfect choice if you want dependable performance at a price that makes sense. So, up next, we have the Novsight Halo SEs. Think of it as the Halo evolved. The SE stands for Special Edition, and it shows. This model packs upgraded LED chips for a brighter and cleaner white light, giving you the superior visibility even on the darkest back roads. It also features a redesigned cooling system for a longer life, meaning you'll get consistent performance mile after mile. And with its sleeker, more compact profile, the Halo SE fits even in tighter spaces, making it the go-to choice for those who want next-level lighting without sacrificing installation ease. If you're an enthusiast who drives at night often or back road, the Halo SEs gives you that extra punch you need. And then there's the Novsight Halo Pro, the ultimate expression of power and precision. This is more than just a headlight upgrade. It's a professional lighting system built for those who demand the very best. The Halo Pro delivers maximum luminance output with perfectly engineering beam pattern. No dark spots, no glare for upcoming drivers, just crystal clear visibility that turns night into the day. And here's what sets the Halo Pro apart: smart adaptive technology. Its advanced design ensures your lights automatically adjust to deliver the most optimal beam pattern wherever you drive: city streets, winding highways, or rugged trails. Plus, its premium grade materials and extended lifespan meets the most durable Halo ever built. This is the headlight for professional off-roaders and anyone who refuses to compromise. So, which Halo is right for you? Halos, perfect for everyday drivers who want a major step up from their stock lights. The Halo SEs, ideal for enthusiasts and night riders who need brighter performance and longer life. Halo Pros, the ultimate choice for professionals off-roading adventures and those who demand top-tier technology. No matter which you choose, all three Halos share the Novsight DNA: innovative design, rugged durability, and effortless installation. That means you get premium quality lighting you can count on, backed up by a brand trusted by drivers everywhere. Ready to experience the road like never before? Upgrade to the Novsight Halo series today and see the difference for yourself. Be sure to visit Novsight.com to explore the Halo lineup. Your journey deserves the brightest light, and with the Novsight, the future is always shining. As night fades upon us, really wanted to show you what all these lights are all about. With every journey tells a story of where you've been and where we're going next. And when the road fades into darkness, one thing keeps you moving forward: light. With Novsight Halo series, the light shines brighter and further and smarter than ever before. From the original Halo to the powerful Halo SEs, the elite Halo Pro, each model was engineered with one goal in mind: to give you the clarity, confidence, and control to own the night. No matter where the road leads, Novsight is there, pushing boundaries, redefining brightness, and lighting the way ahead. So when the night calls, answer with confidence.